Playing Shevchik, of course, helps me a lot with my technique and helps me overall with my violin improvement in my students too. But what also is helpful is having a great music stand. I've partnered with the sponsor of this video, Craft Geek, to show you a great product they started making recently. This is their foldable music stand, and it's a really nice little music stand that expands into a pretty tall, pretty large, if needed, product. Pretty high. I'm a very tall person, and to me this is wonderful. Folds out like this, voila. And these expandable little nifty features have the holders that are really helpful when you're using music that's slightly bigger or lighter and you need it to stay in one place, such as book like this. So voila, really good, really good. I've been very much impressed. It's so light and design is really high quality. I think they've done a good job of this. Also, you can get, it comes with light, stand light, which attaches right here at the top, and you can go ahead and quickly install it. Super useful, and boom, you get a little extra light. Another feature I use a lot, and that's not even everything. There's one more thing. You can even get this little thing. This is a smart device attachment holder that attaches right here to the bottom of the music stand, and you can get a small, anything from small to large to extra large. It's pretty strong. I actually use this thing a lot more than I thought I would. You know, I record myself all the time, and you should too. Or I read off of the device a lot. Sometimes I need both, the sheet music, paper music, and the device together, and it's been really good to have option to do both like this. Super useful. Yeah, so I am really impressed with Craft Geek. I think they've done a really tremendous job, and I think you will appreciate it too. Also, watch how quickly I can put it back in the bag. Check it out. This folds very quickly. This comes off also very fast, just a matter of seconds, really. Like this. Like this. And I can put all of this in this little bag, which also comes with the music stand. Very nice. Craft Geek has done it again. And right now you can get a great deal on these music stands. You can get 15% off if you use my promo code ViolinIst. I hope you do. thanks for watching this video. I appreciate your time. I appreciate your attention here. I'm also posting this video on Patreon where you can play along with me with different parts. I'm playing both parts, and I'm also separating the video into sections where you can play violin 1 or violin 2. I'm also going to be including the music, the PDF of this duet on Patreon. And I'm also will be including the MP3s for each part individual. So if you have an MP3 player, you can play along easily and also adjust the tempo to your liking if your MP3 player allows to do that. So I'm hoping to see you on Patreon. It's a paid site. It's only very little. It doesn't cost very much. I think anybody in the world can probably afford this. I'm trying to keep the rates really low as best I can. And I thank you for your support, and I hope to see you there. Thank you.